Hi friends, it's Miss Jenifer at Somerset Academy of Music, and today I'm going to show you how to play the A-sharp minor arpeggio. That's right, I'm going to take you through and show you how to play the A-sharp minor arpeggio with all the correct notes and fingering 1 and 2 octaves, both hands separately and together. Before we get started, I'd just like to thank you for watching the video, and if you find it at all helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. Okay, let's get started by looking at the letter names of the right hand. They are as follows: A sharp, C sharp, E sharp, A sharp, back down, A sharp, E sharp, C sharp, A sharp. And yes, I am referring to this key as E sharp. If you would like more information why it is called E sharp and not F, I will link a video right here that'll explain everything you need to know about that. All right, the finger numbers for the A sharp 1 octave minor scale are as follows: 2, 3, 1, 2. Back down, 2, 1, 3, 2. All right, let's take a look at the left hand. The letter names are the same, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers. 3, 2, 1, cross 2, back down, 1, 2, 3. Let's put hands together. Here we go. A sharp, C sharp, E sharp, A sharp, A sharp, E sharp, C sharp, A sharp. All right, time to check out the right hand, 2 octaves. The letters are the same, so I'm just going to go over the finger numbers. They are as follows: 2, 3. We're going to tuck our thumb to E sharp, then 2, 3. Tuck our thumb to E sharp again, and then we're going to end with our 2 on A sharp. Back down, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2. All right, let's check out the left hand. Now, one thing that happens differently in 2 octaves than 1 is, instead of crossing our 2 here to this A sharp, we're going to cross our 3 so that we have it available as we go up higher. When you're doing 1 octave, or if you're at the highest note of your arpeggio, it's totally fine to use the 2. If you use a 3, that's great too. Okay, this is what the fingering is for the left hand, 2 octaves. 3, 2, 1, cross 3, 2, 1, 2. And as I was saying, if you want to do 3 here, that's okay too. But if it's your highest note in your left hand, you can go to 2, back down, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let me do that again for you a little smoother. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2, back down, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's put hands together. This is what it looks like. A sharp, C sharp, E sharp, A sharp, C sharp, E sharp, A sharp, back down, A sharp, E sharp, C sharp, A sharp, E sharp, C sharp, A sharp. It's a lot of sharps. There you go. There is your 2 octave A sharp minor arpeggio. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel. It really helps me out a lot, and I will look forward to seeing you in the next video real soon. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.